So hey, have you noticed how the Insta360 X5 has been popping up everywhere lately? First, it showed up in some early leaks, then randomly appeared on Amazon Canada before the official launch. And now, yep, there's already an unboxing video out in the wild. While you're watching this, let's do a quick run-through of what's new and exciting about this camera. I've already done a full deep dive on it. If you missed that, it's linked in the cards above. Alright, the biggest change this time. The sensor. Insta360 has upgraded to a larger 1.28-inch sensor, which they claim boosts low-light performance by up to 133% over the older half-an-inch one in the X4. Translation: your nighttime shots and dimly lit scenes should look a lot cleaner and sharper. Battery life also got a solid bump, 17% more capacity, and it charges about 50% faster. That means less time stuck near an outlet and more time out capturing content. In terms of durability, it's no slouch. You're getting sapphire-level scratch resistance, waterproofing up to 15 meters without a case, and the best part? If you somehow scratch or damage a lens, you can just swap it out yourself. No need to send it in for repairs. For low-light video, there's a new AI-enhanced mode called PureVideo 360, designed to reduce noise and improve dynamic range, so even tricky lighting looks vibrant and clean. With improved image processing and upgraded lenses, night shooting gets a serious level up, and yep, this feature is exclusive to the X5. There's also a new endurance mode, which can keep the camera rolling for up to 185 minutes at 5.7K resolution, 24 frames per second. And for creators, new modes like InstaFrame and Twist to Shoot give you fresh ways to get creative with your footage. Insta360 also says they've made upgrades to the mic system for better audio capture. Now, about the pricing, it's still a bit of a mystery. Amazon Canada had it listed at around 844 Canadian dollars, which is roughly $610 US. But according to a leak from Igor Bogdanov, the final price might actually be closer to $550, just $50 more than the X4. Anyway, that's a quick breakdown of what the Insta360 X5 is bringing to the table. What do you think? Worth the upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech content. Catch you in the next one.